finished product. You're doing a podcast. This is about how close you'd be. So you guys let me know if that sounds pretty good. To me, it does seem to be a little soundproof inside there. And then what I'll do now is I'll take it out of the sound booth. So now it's outside of the booth, and I'll let you be the judge of how you think it sounds. Obviously on the outside here, I feel like I can hear the sound being different. But when it's inside the booth, it just sounds like it does trap the sound inside there. Because this crate has these little openings in it, I was able to put the USB cable through the back of the crate, which is kind of nice because it hides the wire so it's not just hanging out the front. But let me know in the comments down below if it's something I could work on, or if you have a better idea. Let me know. So if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.